Hello Patrick people, welcome back. I'm Stephanie, one of the BMW geniuses here at Patrick BMW, and today I'd like to show you a few little key tips and tricks for checking on the status of your vehicle. Now what I mean by that is checking the tire pressure, oil level, service required, as well as any other check control items that may need attention. So, easy way to do that if you'll turn your attention to our center display. Now this is in the BMW 330i 2019 model, and we're going to be using the iDrive 7.0. So, as you can see, we are on our home menu, and we're going to scroll down to our car menu, and then we're going to go down to the second option that says vehicle status. And right now everything seems to be okay. If you ever do need to check your tire pressure monitor, just go ahead and select tire pressure monitor, which is currently highlighted in red. So now you can see that the screen will tell you the exact tire pressure of all four tires, and we can see that everything is in green, so everything is good to go. Now an easy way to navigate through this system, you can of course use it as a full touch screen if you want, and you can also use the iDrive button located in your center console right by your gear shifter. So now we're going to go ahead and check our engine oil level. Now one thing you want to keep in mind is that you need to be on a level ground, vehicle has to be stationary, operating temperature, and it has to be in neutral or park. So right now I did just start this vehicle and it's not currently at operating temperature. You can see this gauge right here in the instrument cluster. It's not quite there yet, so we still got a couple minutes to go. So once your vehicle does get to operating temperature, you are able to check the oil level if needed. Now another thing is your check control, and it looks like all systems are okay, no faults detected, so that's just going to notify you in case you need any service or if there's anything that requires further attention for your vehicle. Now another thing you can do is you can see when your next services are due. So if you go to service schedule, it'll show you your engine oil, vehicle check, as well as your brake fluid. Now BMW is condition-based service, so that's why you're seeing the date or the mileage. So for your engine oil and vehicle check, that will either be due for your engine oil in a year or 10,000 miles, whichever of the two come first, as well as a vehicle check due 2023 or 40,000 miles. So it gives you a very detailed description of what is due and when it is due. All right, Patrick people, thank you so much for joining me. Again, I'm Stephanie with Patrick BMW, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, Patrick people.